after a long time फेरि भ्लग स्टार्ट गर्न लाग्यो हैन आज यो भ्लगमा चाहिँ के हुन्छ भन्दा हैन साथीहरु के छ होला यो चाहिँ हैन लातोफाको khamrah भन्ने perfume हो let's see someone has suggested me to use this let's see how it smells हैन just let's do the unboxing guys direct to the video मैले चाहिँ थोरै हतार गरिसकेको थिएँ हैन अमेजनबाट चाहिँ आएको हैन अनि यो अब let's see यो लोअरको चाहिँ वुडन फ्रेम हो as you can see khamrah latofa over here that's it let's see guys holy shit and one thing is special guys यहाँको पछाडीको लोगो हेर्न सक्नुहुन्छ it look like 3D just look at it over here latofa khamrah is too good even the logo is better than my career bullshit wow I don't know the smell but the hand and feel in hand wow it's just wow guys wow what a perfume it looks amazing and this is the box like see yo guys I'm vlogging you can see mirror over here राम्रो छ है धेरै राम्रो छ guys यति भने guys लगाएर भोलि कलेज जान्छु म केटीहरु फिदा म माथि वाह let's see all of you in my next vlog in the next unboxing maybe okay see you guys up to that bye bye